how to get points on the PlayStation app. So I'll explain how this works. You want to open up the PlayStation app itself, and here at the bottom, once we click on play, you should see this colorful icon next to your name. So on the right, I'll just click on it and it's gonna show us this: earn points in digital collectibles, start your PlayStation Stars journey, and earn rewards for completing campaigns. PlayStation Plus members also earn points on eligible PlayStation Store purchases. So if you have PlayStation Plus, then you can earn points by making purchases making purchases. You can also redeem the points for PS Store items like games, add-ons, wallet funds, and digital collectibles. Points expire 24 months after you earn them. And here you can see level up, show your progress through the 4 status levels, and acquire exclusive digital collectibles. So if you click on sign up and if you click on accept here, it is going to ask you for your privacy settings. I'll just click on apply here. And you're currently level 1. Earn rare trophies above and purchase games from the PlayStation Store to increase your status or level. If I click on continue, now as you can see, I have the PlayStation Stars enabled, and here you can get points, like I said, by making purchases and completing campaigns. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.